If I'll ask that what is more important for you, experience or knowledge, what do you think? Many of you say that both are important. Without experience, we'll not able to get the thing which happens to us in practical life, and without knowledge we are not able to get good experiences. Both are interdependent. Both needs to be in proper balance so that we can achieve something better. But yes, knowledge is important, but I think experience is much more important than knowledge. I know many of you will not agree to this, but this is the thing. Many people don't have right knowledge, don't have right information, but still they put their whatever they are having, put whatever they learn in day-to-day life through experiences, and they develop themselves over a period of time by getting a lot of experiences. Whether it is good or bad, that is secondary, because each and every experiences, whether it is good or bad, teaches us a lesson, and that lesson becomes a knowledge. But at the same time, if you have the opportunity to get the knowledge, if you have the opportunity to get the right knowledge, then go for it. And when you get that knowledge, put that into action so that you can get the experience as well. Whenever you are having a good knowledge, proper knowledge, right information, put that into action so that you can have that experience as well, and you will have that maximum results going for you. So always grab that opportunity whenever you have that opportunity to learn something new. Put that into action and get the best result out of it. And even if you don't have entire knowledge, don't wait for that I will learn everything first. No. Whatever you learn, whatever you have, implement that. Get the experience. Get that all inside your head, inside your body. Let that experience teach you a lesson, and then only you can grow at real space, at real speed. You will have that understanding of reality, and that is the thing which will help you to grow more, grow fast, and succeed. That is the thing. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope I made my point clear. Let me see what you think in the comment. Yeah, see you. Take care.